It's where the rich get richer. Switzerland is one of the world's top financial centres. Billions of dollars pass through private bank accounts here every year. But the money men may be missing out on the financial world's next big thing. Geneva is a banking city. On almost every street corner there's somewhere where you can invest your money. But recently this place has been overtaken by Kuala Lumpur, Singapore, Dubai, even London, in tapping the world financial market's newest growth area, Islamic banking. The Islamic banking sector is now thought to be worth up to $800 billion, and it's growing by around 20% each year on the back of soaring oil prices. While many Swiss banks offer products that are Sharia compliant, they're not creating the financial packages being demanded by their clients. The boss of one asset management firm says it's a complex area.
There's no inherent fear of Islam in Switzerland, that's for sure. What it is, I think, is the perplexity and complexity of what qualifies as Islamic. And I've heard this exact statement from very, very major bankers in Switzerland. They say, John, we're afraid to go into a type of banking where one man's Islamic will be different from another man's Islamic.
Faisal Private Bank set up shop on the shore of Lake Geneva in 2006, the first Islamic bank to meet Switzerland's strict banking laws. It's reported the National Bank of Kuwait is teaming up with a Saudi Arabian partner to do the same thing. With funds that avoid investing in anything to do with alcohol, tobacco, gambling and weapons, many non-Muslims are now keen to join in.
People, investors are seeing that there is an alternative to conventional banking. And I can see this wish to do Islamic banking that for us is translating into ethical banking.
Britain has been at the forefront of breaking down barriers for Islamic banking. It's now ahead of Switzerland in the funds that it handles. At a time when money is tight and even big banks are facing difficult times, one top banker says this is a hugely important market.
Islamic finance has a lot to contribute to the overall health of the city. At the moment we're going through a credit crunch, there's a liquidity crisis, and banks are struggling to find funds to lend to their customers. What Islamic finance has in abundance is a huge amount of liquidity.
The market often drives changes in banking. With so much money available to invest, it's no surprise that corporations across the world and here in Switzerland are investigating how to do more to attract Muslim investors and their money. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, Geneva.